Hello students, hope you are all well enjoying your vacations. But students, it is mandatory to stay in touch with the academics also to explore the knowledge and learn something new. So friends, basically it is a revision session in which we are going to revise chapter number 5 of AI, that is myths and facts about the AI. So friends, let's get started with the exploring the knowledge of AI, what are myths and what the fact actually is. Friends, we are well aware about the AI that AI is the ability of computer program to make the machine think and learn. बेसिकली कंप्यूटर को इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया जाता है कि वो ह्यूमन की तरह वर्क कर सके, ह्यूमन की तरह टास्क को परफॉर्म कर सके. लाइक दे वर्क in hand with the human beings. Means the AI systems, AI related systems work in a collaborative manner. We have already discussed it in the previous chapter also. Now guys, do you know what are myths and what the fact actually is? Friends, do you know what is myths? अच्छा, आपने कहीं पहले स्टोरी सुनी होंगी या फिर कोई बिलीव्स जिसके बारे में आपके पास कोई प्रूफ नहीं है, तो वही क्या कहलाता है? मिथ्स कहलाता है. नाउ कम टू द अनदर टॉपिक, दैट इज फैक्ट. वी कैन से दैट अ थिंग दैट इज नॉन और प्रूफ टू बी ट्रू इज नॉन एज फैक्ट. मतलब जो रियलिटी होती है वही क्या कहलाता है? आपका फैक्ट्स कहलाता है. Now there are several myths and facts given in your books. Let's come to the myth number 1, that is AI is going to take away jobs. इसका मतलब क्या है? ऐसा माना गया है कि अगर AI आ जाएगी, हमारे वर्ल्ड को टेक ओवर कर लेगी, तो क्या होगा? हमारे पास से जॉब्स चली जाएंगी. बट इट इज़ नॉट अ रियलिटी. इट सिर्फ ये चीज़ हमने सोची हुई है कि अगर हाँ AI आ गई तो ह्यूमन बींग्स बहुत अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट फेस करेंगे. मतलब मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल वुड बी फेसिंग unemployment due to the rise in the AI. But the fact behind that is AI is not going to take away the jobs from us. It's simply the implementation of AI is going to exchange the jobs. Means it is going to take away the old jobs and create new opportunities for us, using which we are going to explore ourselves and the rest of world, and it will create new opportunities for us and create some skills in us also. Now what was myth number 2? The myth number 2 is that AI is smarter than people. Some reputed person like Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has claimed that AI is going to overtake us. Means AI is vastly smarter and would be overtake us in the future. He can be true. It is because we are using in our home also, we are using smart light, smart cameras, smart TV, smart fans, etc, etc, and so many technologies that is going to make us lazy. So friend, we should not depend upon the technology. Okay, just leave it. Now what the fact behind it is? So the reality is AI is not smarter than people. It is as smart as you program it. मतलब अगर हम उसको प्रोग्राम अच्छे से नहीं करेंगे तो AI स्मार्टर नहीं बनेगी. It is as intelligent as we program. Okay, we can also take it as like a computer system is just like nothing more than box if we will not operate it. So we can say that AI is neither creative or nor it has consciousness. We are the humans, we are the persons who create, who generate intelligence in the machines, who import the knowledge and the skills and ability to think and learn in the machines. Now friends, let's come to myth number 3, in which it is said that AI is an unnecessary luxury in the time of COVID-19 pandemic. But friends, it was not unnecessary. The fact behind that is it has played a vital role that helped us in various ways to mitigate the crisis. It has played a crucial role in supporting healthcare, research, and many more areas like aid distribution, etc. etc. Friends, the AI is not only helping us but also all around the world it was helping. It helped us to forecast why the virus is spreading all around the world. It has also helped us in vaccine development, disease diagnosis, drug discovery, etc. etc. So we cannot say that AI is unnecessary luxury. It is luxury but not unnecessary. It helped us in many ways. Now, in myth number 4, it is said that AI can be biased. We all are aware that AI is used to take the decisions according to their programming, means how we program them, how we operate them. But dear friends, do you know the data can be biased, means the things that are good from our point of view, maybe that is not good from another person's point of view. For example, we can take it as in an industry. AI robot is hiring the employees. So उसमें वो क्या करेगा, suppose in first 2-3 months only female candidates are coming. Okay, so what the data is fed in it is that male candidates are not good. This is how AI data can be biased. And about the fact, constant research is going on to reduce the biases. In myth number 5, it is said that AI will take up all medical decision and diagnosis. मतलब AI क्या करेगी, AI डिसाइड करेगी कि किस पेशेंट को किस डिसीज़ के लिए कौन सी डिवाइस, कौन सी मेडिसिन देनी है, क्या उसको ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड कराना है. वो एक्सरेज, MRI, CT स्कैन्स को और अदर इमेजरी को एवेलुएट करेगी और उसके अकॉर्डिंग पेशेंट के एलिमेंट्स को डिटरमाइन करेगी और उसके डिसीजंस लेगी. बट फ्रेंड्स, द फैक्ट बिहाइंड इट इज़ हमें हमेशा एक डॉक्टर या रेडियोलॉजिस्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है टू वेरीफाई द इन्वेस्टिगेशन मेड बाय AI. मतलब AI सिर्फ डिसीजन लेती है, बट उसको उसको वेरीफाई करने के लिए हमें डॉक्टर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, क्योंकि हमने myth number 4 में पढ़ा है AI डेटा कैन बी बायस्ड. Myth number 6 is that AI does not provide all the information on what the action is performing, and the users are also not able to understand how AI got to the point. मतलब ये कि हमें पता ही नहीं होता है कि AI ने कौन से डिसीजन, मतलब कोई भी डिसीजन किस तरीके से लिया है, किस बेसिस पर लिया है, कौन से पॉइंट को हाईलाइटेड किया है उसने, क्या प्रोसीजर रहा होगा उस डिसीजन लेने का, हमें कुछ नहीं पता होता है. बेसिकली इसको हम ब्लैक बॉक्स प्रॉब्लम भी कहते हैं. ब्लैक बॉक्स प्रॉब्लम का मतलब when the AI decision making process of an AI system